Now see this question. See this question. See this question, sir. See this question. See this question. Harish, I took n terms. That logic is also there. Just to hold on. See this 8th question. 10 power 4 plus 324, 22 power 4 plus 324, 34 power 4 plus 324 plus 46 power 4 plus 324. If I give you this question, please spend 30 seconds on this question. Can anybody spend 30 seconds? I have seen it in one of the paper. This takes almost half a page solution is there. Half a page solution is there. A beautiful question, sir. A beautiful question. S equivalent to 10 power 4 plus 324, 22 power 4 plus 324, 34 power 4 plus 324, 46 power 4 plus 324, 58 power 4 plus 324 divided by this. Anil Nayar's way of solving this question. Anil Nayar's way. Suppose 156 by 12 equivalent to 13. Do convert division into multiplication. 156 is 12 into 13. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is nothing but 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 13 is nothing but 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 digital sum is 3. 12 digital sum is 3. 12 digital sum is 3. Digital sum. Many students asked me this doubt. Digital sum can be applied in division if you convert into multiplication. If you convert into multiplication. If you convert digital sum from division to multiplication. If you convert digital sum from division to multiplication, digital sum can be used. Tomorrow I will explain in decimal why it cannot be used. First concept. If you want to use a digital sum in division, convert the division into multiplication. 156 is 12 into 13. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 equivalent to 3 into 4. Because there is a fraction, I have explained how to use digital sum in division. How to use digital sum in division. How to use digital sum in division. This is the first key point. First key point. Second key point. Second key point. If I add 9 or multiples of 9, the digital sum for a given number does not change. 12 digital sum is 3. Here also it is 3. 23 it is 5. 41 it is also 5. Digital sum is, please write down this key point. It is not a solution. Digital sum is unaffected. Digital sum is unaffected. If I add 9k, 9 are multiples of 9. Please write down this. Digital sum is unaffected. Digital sum will not be affected. Digital sum will not change. If I add 9 or multiples of 9. If I add 9 or multiples of 9, digital sum will be unaffected. Digital sum won't change. Now this is a concept 2. Unfortunately, all these concepts you should know, sir. Otherwise, you will just go by the rote based learning. 324 digital sum is 9. So digital sum will be unaffected. Digital sum will be unaffected. Are you all with me? So 324 digital sum is 9. Now let us solve. Apply the digital sum, you will get the answer. 10 power 4, 1 plus 0, 1 into 2 plus 2, 4. 4 power 4. 4 power 4 is 4 square whole square, which is 16 whole square. 256. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 34 power 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 power 4 is 2401, which is 7. 46 is 1. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 power 4. 16 square. 16 square is 256. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 plus 3, 4. Are you all with me? 4 power 4. 4 power 4, somewhere we wrote it as 7 square, which is 4. 16, 7 power 4. 7 power 4 is again 7. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 8, 10. 4 power 4. 4 power 4, again we wrote it as 16 square, 7 square, 14, 9. 4 power 4. 5 plus 2. 7 power 4 is again 7. Are you all with me? Equivalent to answer option. 4 7s are 28. 28 is 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 equivalent to answer option into 4 7s are 28 1. 4 7s are 28 1. Answer option should be digital sum 4. Digital sum 4. I hope it is clear, right, sir? So 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 5 21. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 digital sum is 4. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 digital sum is 4. Two options are there. Then apply what is that I discussed. Either apply unit digit or apply the divisibility rule. I hope beautiful problem to explain the previous one. Beautiful problem to explain the concept. Unit digit. You know the unit digit, right? So 2 power 4 is 6. Here it is 0. Here it is. Apply the unit digit and divisibility for it. Toughest question. Two options are eliminated by using this digital sum. Here, any doubt? Any doubt? Till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Kindly reply in the live chat. Any doubt? You got any doubts? Any doubts? Toughest question. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. You will solve 10 square whole square plus 18 whole square. Actually, this question takes 5 minutes to solve, but it is converted into less than 1 minute by using digital sum. I hope it is clear. Three concepts you have to use. Unit digit you have to use. Divisibility rule you have to use. You have to use both the concepts if the digital sum is same for more than one answer option. Idea is clear? Idea is clear, right? Next one. Idea is clear? Shamim and Pragati. Where it is not clear, you want me to explain. Once again, Anup, again I am explaining. First step number 1. Listen carefully. Shamim, Pragati and Anup. Right? Digital sum can be used to in division also if division is converted into multiplication. If division is converted into multiplication. That is first point. Second point is 324. 324 sum of the digits is 9. So digital sum for 10 power 4 plus 324 is same as 10 power 4. Again I am explaining. First thing, 10 power 4. 10 power 4 plus 324. 10 power 4 plus 324. I did not completed it. Let me first complete digital sum. I hope it is right. Now next we can use. This is even number plus even number. 10 power 4 plus 324. 1 minute. I will try to solve it in the new slide. 10 power 4 plus 324. The digital sum of this number is same as 10 power 4, which is 1 plus 0. 1 power 4 is 1. First one. Similarly, 22 power 4 plus 324, which is equivalent to 22 power 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 power 4 is 4 square whole square. 16 square is 7 square 49, which is 4. Find out the digital sums for 10 power 4, 22 power 4, 34 power 4, 46 power 4 and 58 power 4. 58 power 4. Are you all with me? Next is 4 power 4, 16 power 4, 28 power 4, 40 power 4, 52 power 4. 52 power 4. Now you don't need to find any of this. First one it is enough. Why? Because 22 and 4, difference is 18, which is a multiple of 9. So if you find this, these eliminated. 16 and 34, difference is 18. You don't need to do for 16 power 4. 28 and 46, difference is 18. These eliminated. These last one is 40. 40 and 58, difference is 18 in the base. So it is 52. 34 and 52, only upper it is enough. Upper digital sum is enough. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? Any doubt in this question? Another important concept which I discussed in the new slide. New slide. 4 and 22 is eliminated. See here, 3 power 4, 12 power 4, 3, 21 power 4. All the digital sums are same, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. If the difference base is 9 or multiples of 9, digital sum will be unaffected. Digital sum will be unaffected. 4 and 22 is 18. 16 and 34 is 18. 28 and 46 is 18. I hope it is clear. 40 and 58 is 18. 22, 34 and 52. So this concept also make a note. Make a note. Right? Make a note. I hope it is clear.